Alright, today we're going to be testing another double piston pump. This is a Hitachi HPV118 side-by-side. It goes on a John Deere 270D LC excavator. We'll go ahead and run through some of these hoses that we got hooked up here. Alright, so the big hose is obviously going to be our suction line. We got a pressure loop hooked onto one side here, another pressure loop hooked up to here. We'll just call it A and B. These side, they're just for dampener hoses. We just got them plugged off for now. Really, it's for pressure spikes on the machine, which we shouldn't be having any of those here. This side port coming in the side here is going to be sending pilot pressure in at all times. This is actually coming from the pilot pressure regulating valve. And usually it's anywhere from 400 to 700 psi. And then up here on the top, we got these two hoses hooked up here. These are going to be coming from our little control on the side here, and we'll just be sending a signal to shift it one way or the other. These little electrical solenoids, these are just pressure reading gauges. These are for the torque control. And then again down here, these are just reading the pressure gauges, which we've got all that hooked up here. And for the side, we just took the charge pump off. We have a brand new charge pump, so we really don't need to test it. We just plug that, and I think that's it. Let's go ahead and test. And this one, for our pressure, we're just gonna go, I think they're set for 5,080 psi, so we're not gonna go over that. About 1770 RPMs. We got 30 gallons a minute on our A loop. This one's reading about 20 gallons a minute, but it's just because it's further down the loop. If you swapped them, they would both be reading about 30 gallons a minute. You see, we have no pressure on the system right now. Go ahead and pressure it up. Got our 5,000 psi. It dropped down to about 20 gallons a minute, but it didn't drop all the way out. Our other loop. Kind of shifted to that side. Now we're reading about 30 gallons a minute.